I'm Nora, the creator of your healthy lifestyle home, Yogi Nora. Scheduling your private yoga class with me has never been easier. Join a class on your tablet, your computer, or your phone. You can practice yoga every day of the year, on your own time, in your own space. You can choose a class from stretching, to beginner, to advanced, to pure core yoga. All classes have been designed to mix and match, or as standalone classes. For instance, after your beginner class, you could add on 15 minutes of stretch. Before your intermediate class, you could warm up with a pure core session. The possibilities are limitless, and you can choose what's right for you on any given day. With new classes added every week, there's always something new for you to try. In addition to the yoga classes, you will also get the Nora in the Kitchen series. Putting healthy, tasty, clean food in your body can only help accelerate your yoga practice. I have included a special cleanse section highlighting traditional cleanses and juice cleanses. People Making a Difference is a unique place where I have interviewed those who are making a positive change in this world. Everything from Chinese medical doctors to vegan grocery stores. Starting today, we will be stronger, more flexible, and develop healthier eating habits. Take advantage of the 7-day free trial. You'll receive all the yoga classes, all the Nora in the Kitchen series, all the interviews, and all the cleanses instantly. Come on inside. I'll see you on the mat. Welcome home.